Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Expedia's airline credit. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you have an airline credit from a flight booked for Expedia, you can usually book it. You can use it to book another eligible flight. So the exact rule depends on the airline that issued the credit. So the first thing what we need to do is come on over to Expedia and sign into your account. Then from there, we want to go ahead and click onto your trips here. Now locate your available airline credit inside of this page here. It might be at the top, just depending what region you are. Just have a bit of a search around. And then you want to check the credit amount, expiration date, eligible airline, and any booking restrictions. And then from there, you can go ahead and search for a new flight. So you want to go ahead and come back to Expedia and make sure on the flights tab. And then go ahead and select your flight. So put in your location, where you're going, where you're leaving from, your dates and travelers. Then you want to go ahead and select your flight. So most airline credits must be used with the same airline that issued the original ticket, and it can only be used by the original traveler as well. So you can't transfer this to someone else. Now, if the new flight here, when you're on the checkout page, is more than the other flight, you're just going to have to pay the difference. Now, if the flight costs less, whether you keep the remaining balance depends on the airline's policy. Some credits allow multiple users, while others are one-time use, and any unused value is forfeited. If you're not sure, just go ahead and contact that airline and then just ask them what the goal is with if there are any credits